Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I've got another 1 day of sales, which includes a huge bundle that has lots of shoes in it. Let's check it out. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Okay, let's get right to it. Our first item that we have is a Spanx tummy shaping pair of leggings. I earned $5.25, and that's after fees and after shipping. And so I'm gonna take my $5.25. I actually paid $1 for that. So I'm at $4.25. So I'm gonna give you my total profits, add it all up at the end to see how much did I really actually make in pocket for 1 day of sales on Poshmark. The next item I sold is a pair of Cat and Jack Gray Lilibeth fashion boots, size 9. I paid $2 out of a liquidation box for those. $6.05 is what I earned, so $4.05 are my profits on that. Then I've got two sets, a bundle of two, a 5-pack of education kids shoe stickers, which I made $5.05 on. I had $2 invested in both of those, and so I'm at $3.05 for my profits on that one. Then I have a pair of black ballet flats, scrunch flats. I've got a bunch of these in size 8.5, so check them out. You can get a really good deal on these on my Poshmark store. If you cannot find my Poshmark store, it's at Paul Hooks. It's under my husband's name. But if not, you can always check the link in the description of all of my videos below, and you'll be able to easily find it. So women's scrunch black ballet flats, I paid $4 for those. $8.25 is what I earned, so I'm at $4.25 for profits on those pair of shoes. Then the next thing I have is a bundle, which includes an olive wood mother of pearl cross, a really cute baby bundle Cat and Jack slippers and bibs, and a milestone blanket. And I've got a bunch of these milestone blankets. It's a really cute photo blanket. You can take pictures of your baby as they grow. It's got the different months and stuff. It's really very cute. I've got a bunch of those on there. It's a 30-inch by 40-inch, very soft, swaddling baby blanket. So I've got $3 invested in the blanket, and then one in each of those. So I've got $5 total invested. $18.20 is what I earned on this bundle. So I'm at $13.20 on that bundle. Then the next item I have for sale is a pair of size 16 Wild Fable high-rise skinny jeans. I earned $4.25. $2 out of a liquidation box is what I paid for that, so $2.25 are my profits. Then I've got a set of girls hipster briefs panties, a 3-pack, $1 out of a liquidation box is what I paid. $4.05 is what I earned, so $3.05 are my profits on that one. Then I've got a really neat sweater that says love on it with a football for the O. $2.25 is what I earned. $1 out of a liquidation box is what I paid, so $1.25. It's the middle of summer. It's a 104-degree heat index, and I sold the sweatshirt. So you should just list things. It's free to list things on Poshmark until you actually sell them. You don't pay any fees. So go ahead and list those things. I've got a pair of black rain boots, which were definitely appropriately needed today because it rained like a monsoon around here. And so those are a women's Chelsea rain boot. A New Day is the maker. Size 7. I've got more of those, so check those out if you're interested. $6.25 is what I earned. About $2 is what I paid for those, and so I'm at $4.25 for profit on those. Then I've got an Oppo Exhilaration bra. $2.05 is what I earned. $1 is what I paid, so I'm at $1.05. Then my next item is a lace razorback blue and silver bralette. $3.25 is what I earned. $1 is what I paid, so $2.25. And then I've got a pair of black shorts, Dana Buckman, size extra large black shorts, $12.80. $2 out of a liquidation box is what I paid for that, so I'm at $10.80 on that. Then I come to my big old bundle. Let me show you what all we got going on here. So I've got a pair of these Massimo brown combat boots. I've got these in various different sizes, so if you're interested in these, they're amazing. You're gonna get them at a really good deal from me. And so this person was smart. They bundled it. And so I've got 7, 6.5, and 9.5, I believe, in sizes of those. Then I've got some boys undershirts. Then I've got some Cat and Jack shoes. I've got a Champion, really nice ladies top. I've got a pair of Batman kids shoes. And then I've got a winter coat. Yes, folks, a winter coat at 104 degrees heat index. So I got all 6 of those things. So I've got actually, these were $4. I've got $1, so that's my 5, another $6. This coat was $2.78. This shirt was $1 for 9, and then these boots were $4 more, so I'm at $13 in that bundle. I actually earned $58.40, so I'm at $45.48 for that one bundle. Awesome profits. Then I've got some really cute glittery Cat and Jack shoes. I do have multiples of these as well. They're really, really cute and adorable. Little ballet, pink, sparkly ballet ones. They are Girls Leslie Glitter Ballet Flat Cat and Jack pink. They're size 4 in the bigger girl size, not the toddler size. And so those I paid $4 for, and my earnings were $1.25. So unfortunately, I am negative, let's see, negative 4 minus 1, 3 minus 25. So I'm negative 275 on those. 275. That looks like an 8. 75. Negative 275 on those. But I have earned a lot on these boots and stuff, and they came in the same palette. And then last but not least, I've got a pair of Fruit of the Loom low-rise pack of underwear. $4.25 is what I earned on that. $1 is what I paid, so I'm at $3.25. So I'm going to go ahead and add all of this up and let you know how many orders it was for just one day of sales on Poshmark. I had a one-day sale yesterday, so check that out if you haven't seen it. That was amazing. I made a ton of cash, but let's see what one day of sales on Poshmark looks like today. Okay, everybody, I've got everything added up. $99.68. I would have been over 100 had I not lost money on those one shoes. But I want to give you true and real numbers. So $99.68 for one day of sales on Poshmark for 15 separate orders. So I'm going to get this all packaged up and shipped off to my customers, and hopefully they'll love everything that they get. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. This is Heather from HookedOnPickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.